What's going on, YouTube? Happy New Year's Eve. This is DX Predator here coming at you with another video and some channel updates. So I'm gonna try to keep this short, but I did take a brief hiatus to self-care, take care of work. Um, Last year around this time, some of you who were checking out the channel, it was around the time that 650 Eve came to the New York, New Jersey area, and invited by Motovlog. We did our little smackdowns, but in that time, what y'all don't know, those of you to the channel, I had lost my job with uh, a very steady job with benefits, that medical, deal, all that good stuff. And I was there for about 4 years. I was looking to retire there, but it didn't work out that way. Put me in a very tight situation, and I had to really take care of business in the last year. But the good news is I'm at another spot working with hospital IT, so just beginning of new things. As things shift to the left, move to the right, and keep it. So channel updates. Got a couple of videos that I hadn't published or worked on yet, so those are going to be coming in the new year. So this is going to be the last video of 2021. I'm rushing to make sure I get this up and popping for you. But I did want to hit a couple of topics. I know that I just did my winglets, as you're seeing in the background here. I just wanted to make my bike look a little different. There are some inherent benefits of having downforce wings. They don't natively come with the 14. I know other bikes, Rizoma, the company that makes for S1000, the V4, the ZX10, and all that, I said to myself, there has to be one for Zeus. So went ahead and I secured a set. I've influenced others to get them. And which brings me to a funny situation. There was some naysayers on the ZX14 community page on Facebook. One guy, he got roasted for just being overwhelmingly negative. And, at the end of the day, everybody has their thing. Me, I'm not a guy that likes stretch bikes, per se, because of the style that I ride. You see me at the track, you see me taking twisties. I find it, harder for handling. It means if you're Dolph Lundgren and you've got the muscle, you have the ability to maintain your lines with a longer bike, that's fine. It's just, I would have to, if I stretch my bike, it's just cruising and that good stuff. But Zeus, for me, is an all-purpose bike, so I would never brag or hit, shame somebody for what they do with their machine. It's theirs, So I just think to that individual that I'm referencing, do better, be better. That's all I got to say about that. But also, I am nearing the end of everything that I wanted to do to my bike. I went ahead and got the Google Flash and tune on the bike. I may have to reacquire Power Commander 5 because Bull Motors is no longer doing ECU flashes. It's just a victim of the EPA going after tuners and whatnot, and Bull was my go-to guy. So being that what he has on there, where I can clear the codes, any error codes, by putting the bike in 5th gear and holding the throttle wide open, I don't want to lose that. So I think that I'm gonna just have to bend the knee and get a Power Commander for any follow-on tunes. I got the restrictions off, the fan temp kicks up early and all that good stuff. But with that, I mean, did the block off plates, got the quick shifter in there, and I also recently got the Sprint race filter from Rock's Performance. Got the Alien Head 2 full exhaust titanium system on the bike, and what I should have done first was get me a set of nice wheels. So now you saw in the other videos that I have the Carazara lightweight aluminum forge setup. And once those are on the bike, I'm trying to get it to absolute cycle like next week. But once that's done on the bike, it's just one thing left to do. And that's what I said was gonna be something I'm working on. Trying to see how responsibly I can get that done, and hopefully it'll be in time for next season, 2022. But I mean, some good things are coming down the pipeline. Got my brother-in-law who's gonna be on the channel, like a mainstay, and then I got some new shirts coming down the way. That's gonna be created by Osei brand. My cousin, who awesome, some phenomenal work with graphics and shirt printing. So you know, definitely keeping it in the family. But with that being said, I do thank you guys for continuing to sub, continuing to support the channel. I want to give out a shout out to a couple people like Moto Mac, TX10 Fast Boys, Doug. I love that guy. He's one of the best riders I know that got so good so quickly, but always willing to share knowledge. You know, and he helped me get faster last time we were at the track. So that's my man right there. Also shout out to NV King who had helped me with my clutch and a couple other things. But make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe. I'll see y'all later. Peace.